this gonna work between us?
Listen. Don't ever make that mistake again and call me babe.
What? What are you saying?
In this case, I'm not your babe. One mistake can lead to another mistake. You got to keep a deep cover, okay?
Okay. Okay. But, Taj, how am I gonna even take you off my mind? Get along my hands off you?
Why would you want to take me off your mind?
But it's gonna be hard. What do you think?
Listen, it's all gonna work out. Can't you see that everything is already in play?
I mean, yes, but Taj, I just can't. I'm so weak whenever you're around.
That's called chemistry and love. What can you do about that? That's natural.
How am I gonna see you and not want to touch you?
Yeah, just hide and touch me. What are you talking about? Hide. Come on. Follow me, follow me. Water the plants. Hold on, stay.
Yes, you need to water here and you know those plants over there. Yeah. They're dry, so you need to water them.
Okay.
And make sure you don't leave that big one over there.
Okay, so what are the names of these ones?
Huh?
What are the names of these? You know the names?
I'm not sure. Maybe Skinny and Pops, no, but I'm not sure.
Oh. Alex Pops, Alex Pops, Alex Pops. Alex Pops. I think I got it from here though. I think I got it from here.
Alright. Just, you know what to do. You know what to do.
Man. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now that they're deep in the sand, I'm just like a leaf that's flowing and swing. Always anywhere that I
want. Raining red snow. Life nice, you know, God. Oh, God. Going in my room big, pretty, AC, everything. Me, I'll get one I never asked for. My God. Gotcha. I didn't realize my room come with back garden. Oh, thank Jesus. What a nice house God bless me with. Oh, Miss Cookie feel like say, I'm go get me out of my own place. Pop say me nothing left out here. And the bed nice. I really like it here. I wonder if you make you French coffee. Me get few cents a dime and brush my teeth.
Pops, no. You have to know what you say when you say what you say. Because there's no way a man could have cut land and a cut yard as a yard boy. And you have to say family. No, Pops, when you say what you say, know what you say when you say what you say, Pops. That nah had up, Pops.
So don't it seems like I know what I'm saying? Eh?
No, sir, Pops. The man, when him done cut the yard, him guy him yard. And nobody tell no man boy he can't stay in that no space not out there. Much less for even he made even there for sure. He made alright.
There's an extra room around there so he can stay there. Everybody here is gonna be family. Whether you like it or not. To Pops, blast.
It's alright, and then can't stay for sure.
So what, you gonna leave?
Yeah, me and Cookie will live up for sure.
Okay, up to you and Cookie, cause I don't see you doing anything in the house more than get up every day and sleep and then get up and sleep and then get up and sleep.
But they're not easy. Eh? They're not easy. What may I pay made for?
It seems like you are crazy. You're crazy? So all my money going down like that. Just to pay to do everything. And pay people to watch you sleep.
Yeah. I never asked to be here.
So you want me to send you one back then?
Bye. Let me buy one toothbrush and what for me things there? SF cookie on. Look nice. Oh God. I'm not treat me as my sin deserve, you know. Sensodyne. I don't treat me as my sin deserve. My man did I give me bun. I up here I live a good life. And I drink Jagan Spitfire. Now, may I improve more than him. I get room with Pastor Peach with my chance. As a poor girl, they say they don't have nothing in her life. Or brush my teeth, because I don't waste no time. Because if Miss cooking, you make no breakfast in our house today. Watch your mom make pops do it. Oh, then. No towel. The thing I use up in the place here. Everything.
Cookie will do it for me. All the stress that she's putting on you, I know one day you will go back home very soon.
But to be honest, look at me good. Is it stress mark on my face? Is it stress mark on my face?
You look like you're more than stressed.
No, sir.
You don't see you're getting even skinnier.
No, sir.
Like you're not even eating
How can I be skinny if I'm not skinny? Suhfitrue.
I check in the garbage and I see only ramen, noodle and cup soup. You see, that's what you only eat here?
That's the only thing I want to eat. So no wrong with eating when I want to eat. Anything I want to eat, I can't eat, you know. I'm my belly.
What, is it because you don't have time to cook and cookie is not cooking for you?
I talk about pops, man. Every time I ready to cook, man. Cookie always cook, man. Cookie a big chef, you know, for Suhfitrue, man. I tell her. No joke, for Suhfitrue.
Well, I hope to see her cooking one day. Because her name is Cookie, so she must be a good cook. To blast.
Cookie, if you cook breakfast this morning, Suhfitrue. I throw in a pops, she can't cook.
What she ever cook for you?
A regular cookie steam down some fish and okra and crackers.
Fish?
I wear the pops and I get a nice lobster tail.
Yeah.
Simmer down some for Suhfitrue.
Excuse me, morning, skinny. Mr. Dice, you drink tea yet?
No, I haven't drinking the tea as yet.
But Miss Cookie this said she go make tea for everybody.
Tea? Well, I never see cookie in the kitchen that before, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Miss Cookie, I live too comfortable, you know, sir.
True.
Live too comfortable.
Come and sit over here. So how was the night?
Why, Pops?
Babe, come here.
Yes.
Sit down, babe. Remember you said you were gonna get rid of her last night?
Get rid of her?
Tracy, babe.
Oh.
Babe.
But she not getting no problem. See, she just awake to us and she not getting no problem.
She should have been awake from morning.
Oh, that have to true, be. That have to true. Our time,
Babe,
after 10 now.
You need to do everything in your power to get rid of that girl. Can't you see she's making me sad? Babe, you really need me to be sad?
I deal with it, man.
But
So,
how soon? I need her out.
I tell her say she
No.
So when I just tell her say she go on.
Yes. We need to get her out, baby. I'm sad.
So, but Pops not go on that.
Babe, who cares about what Pops want?
That'll start an argument.
Don't you love me the most,
Babe, I love you, but it's a cast argument. Alright. think about it.
You're really gonna make me sad. You're gonna think about it. Baby, I'm talking to you.
Yeah, I know. I hear what you say when you say what you say. But I just need...
Just tell me you're gonna get it done, baby.
No,
That's
I'm
all
gonna
I
deal
need
with
to...
it.
No.
Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna talk to Pana. But Pana gonna like...
Baby, don't think about what he's not gonna like. Think about what I don't like, and I don't like her being here any longer.
That's true.
Okay?
That's true, man.
So just do this one favor for me, baby, please. Okay?
I deal with it. For true. I talk to Papa, but I have to talk to Papa first.
Babe, as long as you get her out, it doesn't matter. Just make me happy. You wanna make me happy, right? Okay.
Right, now I'll sleep first.
Huh?
Now I'll sleep first. Babe, I deal with it, man.
I said no.
I deal with it, man.
Baby, no.
After breakfast. Make sure you look for breakfast first now. Make sure you look for breakfast first, then okay. Babe, just think smarter and wise now. Make sure you look for breakfast first, then we just get rid of her Suhfitrue. Alright, me go. The bombshell.
As long as they get her out. Just get her out. Too much problems. And I can't have her blowing my cover, ruining my money, my life. You crazy. As long as I get her